Hi everybody, good to see you. Hey, I wanted to let you know that today what I'd like to do is we're going to draw a little bit again. But this time we're going to draw some eighth notes. And an eighth note is a little bit different than a quarter note, but it kind of had some quarter notes in it if you look very closely. Because a quarter note, let's review. You make a circle, line or stem, circle, stem, color it in, circle, stem, color it in, circle, stem, color it in, quarter note, quarter note. Let's try one in the air. Here we go, ready? Circle, stem, color it in, quarter note, quarter note, circle, stem, color it in, circle, stem, color it in, quarter note, quarter note. And if you remember from our stem, that line, which we also call a stem, goes on the right side. So it will go right on this side, which is the same side as if you're writing a lowercase d. The only trick is there is no little hook at the bottom, no little leg on the end. Okay? And now, eighth notes look like this. So when you go to do them, you're ending up actually making quarter notes first almost. Almost. So it's kind of the same thing, but you have to do it twice and a little extra line across the top. So it goes like this. You draw a circle here, not too far away, draw another circle right beside it. Then put a line or stem on the first one, put a line or stem on the second one. It's just about the same height. And then draw a horizontal line across the top. Remember, horizontal is like this. Vertical, it's like that. It's a horizontal line. So after you draw the horizontal line, then you color in your circles. And ta-da! Eighth notes. All right, so let's erase our quarter note for right now. And now, let's try it together. So it goes like this. You draw a circle here, you draw a circle there. Add their stems and a horizontal line. Color in the circles and now you have eighth notes. Eighth, 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 eighth. Try it again, ready? You draw a circle here, you draw a circle there. Add their stems and a horizontal line. Color in the circles, now you have some eighth notes. Eighth, 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 eighth notes. Cool. All right, so let's draw them. We'll go very slow. So you have a circle here. You have a circle there. Draw some stems and a horizontal line. Color in the circles. Now you have some eighth notes. Eighth, 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 eighth notes. Now, what I'd like you to do with this, if you would like, and it's kind of fun, because what you're doing is really writing in another language, the music language. That's pretty cool. So now you can say that you speak music and you speak English, maybe Spanish too, or Japanese or Chinese. There's so many different things you could speak. And that would be really cool to add this language, the music language, to what you do. All right, to what you know. Now, what you could do is now you can mix them together and make a little pattern. Now, when you draw your eighth notes, those are two notes, two circles, but they are cooked together, so they're like one set, like a set of twins or buddies that are walking down to the office to drop off the mail or something like that. So now, when you go to make it, you can make a little pattern and you can decide how you want to make it. I could maybe say, oh, let's do a quarter note first. So I do a quarter note, Then I decided to draw some eighth notes, make patterns. My eighth notes, my horizontal line. Then I need to do, well, let's do more eighth notes. Circle, circle, line or stem, stem, horizontal line, color in the circles, and you have some eighth notes, eighth notes, and let's just end it with quarter note. You could make it longer if you'd like. That's totally up to you. You can make your own pattern. If you'd like to send me a picture of a pattern that you make, I would love to see it. Also, what else would be kind of cool to do? This is great practice, and I'm going to tell you all these different notes that go with it, because when we sit in the music room, you always remember, and grown-ups, I'm going to tell this more for you than I am for the kids, because we have the little circle dots that the kids sit on, and on those dots, there's a music note. Some of you sit on eighth notes. Some of you sit on top of a dot that has quarter notes. Some of you sit on something that looks like this. It's kind of like a quarter note, except it's not colored in. That's not a really great one, but let's try that again. So we have a half note here. No, we don't color it in. That's our half note. Then we have a whole note, which is just a circle or more of an oval. And then we have ones that have 4 of them hooked together. And they make your 4 circles. Line, 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 stem, horizontal line across the top, and make a second horizontal line. And I got a little bit ahead of myself. Then you color in all of the circles to make the 16th notes. And just check and make sure that you can see this on your screen. There we go. Now, today, the other part I thought would be fun to do is this. Let's make a circle or a whole note. Let's make a bunny. So now we're going to make a bunny ear, and this is not going to be any kind of notes. Let's make a triangle and another triangle for our ears. Now, let's use music notes to make the face. So you can take it any way you want, but I'm going to make quarter note for one eye. I'm going to make another quarter note for the other eye. Ooh, I think I need to put, how about a half note? No, let's use 16th notes for the nose. 1 circle, 2, that's right, make it small. Draw your stems. Make your horizontal line, but 16th notes are even more quickly usually than anything else. They have to have more things. So now we add a second horizontal line, and then I'm going to color them in. So that's my nose. And, I don't know. How about for my mouth, we make a half note. So we've used all of them, actually. So here's the half note. I'm going to draw my line. And there's my bunny. Now, did I miss any of them? Let's see. Quarter notes. We didn't use any eighth notes, did we? So let's put some eighth notes just for fun. I think I'll put them on the ears. So this is on the inside of their ears. And here we go again, making the circles. Need to color them in first. So now I have my bunny, my music bunny. So, and you can color it any other way you'd like. You can make it different colors. You can use a whole body. You can do it however you want. But I would love to see a picture of your music bunny. So, if possible, send me something if you'd like to. Have a great day. I miss all of you so much. I really do. And I love all of you. And I hope that we'll get a chance to see each other sometime soon. Take care.